చెప్పట్లేదు. Welcome to dear channel RS. I am teaching past maybe 1.5 months, 2 months, class 10 regularly at 6 o'clock. So it's my fixed time till I announce. So till now I have explained trigonometry, triangles, polynomials, all the earlier chapters. Now even arithmetic progressions also have explained. Now I am teaching coordinate geometry. In between, if the students have doubts, you can send me in the WhatsApp or in the comment section, so that I can see and I can help you out of your problem. So yesterday we have done few questions, 7.1 exercise, 7.1 exercise class till question number 5 we have done it. Okay, question number 5 we have done it. Now we have to do 6th question onwards. Okay, 6th question onwards. After this question, after this I am going to explain you section formula also, a very important and critical. So now question number 6th. Already these because these questions were taken snapshots and kept it here. Okay, these white color ones are the questions of this. So we have to do question number 6. Question number 6. So this is the question number 6. I have put snapshot in my touch board. So now name the type of the quadrilateral formed, if any, the following points, and give reasons for your answer. So he has given 4 points. He has given 4 points. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 points he has given, and he asked us to find out, name the type of the quadrilateral formed by these points and give reasons also. So it's very simple, like previous questions. I told you in 7.1 only one formula is there, one formula, that is a distance formula. So only the distance formula is there. So using the distance formula you can find out whether which type of quadrilateral is that. So let me do it on the board. So here let me take up the first question. Okay, I will start from here. So we have to label it first x and y. Okay, so question number 6th and question number 6, first bit. A is equal to -1, -2, and B is equal to 1, 0, and C is equal to -1, 2, and D is equal to -3, 0. Okay, so these are the 4 points given. A, B, C, D quadrilateral will be formed. I'll just give you a diagram like okay. So now let us find out AB. AB means these two you have to take and find the length of the side. So length of the side we will be using the formula, distance formula we are using, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So x1 y1 and x2 y2. So I will do directly because I have space problem. So 1 minus minus 1, 2 whole square, 0 minus minus 2, again 2 whole square. So it is square root of 4 plus 4, 8. So I have done 8. So let me do BC. Again you have to take these two BC, square root of x2 minus x1, minus 1, minus 1. So minus 2 whole square, and y2 minus y1, 2 minus 0. So 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. So let me do AB is over, BC is over, CD we will take it. So CD is equal to x2, x1, y1, x2, y2 under root minus 3 minus minus 1. So plus 1, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2 whole square, and 0 minus 2, minus 2 whole square. This is equal to 8 again. So now we have got AB is equal to 8, BC is equal to 8, and CD is equal to 8. Let us find out AD also. AD means this one and the last one. So this one is x1, x2, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Again under root I will put it. So minus 3 minus minus 1 plus 1, minus 3 plus 1, 2. So 2 whole square minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus minus 2 plus 2. So it is equal to plus 2 whole square, which is equal to 4 plus 4 square root of 8. It is equal to square root of 8. So now we have got all sides. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to root 8 units. All four sides are equal. So all four sides are equal means you cannot simply say square. Square has two conditions. If you satisfy two conditions, then you can decide it is a square. If you are going with only one condition, it will be a rhombus. So what is the second condition? In my previous class I told you. The second condition is in square the diagonals are also equal. So what will be the diagonals? So this is say 1. Now diagonals are alternate. AC is one diagonal. So diagonal AC. Let us find out AC also. If diagonals are not equal, then these four vertices belongs to rhombus. Okay. So now let us find out AC. A and C. Minus 1, minus minus 1. Minus 1, minus minus 1 plus 1, 0. So 0 square plus 2 minus minus 2, 4. So 4 square is, so it is equal to 8. Now let us say diagonal BD also. Okay, B and D. This and this. So minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So minus 4 whole square plus and 0 minus 0. 0 which is equal to square root of 16. I am sorry, here this is 16, this is also 16. So that means AC is equal to BD. Yeah, diagonals are also equal. So from 1 and 2, these four vertices belongs to a square because two conditions are satisfied. That you have to write it here. Okay, from 1 and 2, all sides are equal. and diagonals are equal. Both diagonals are equal. Therefore, ABCD is a square. If diagonals are not equal, then we can decide that ABCD is a just rhombus. In rhombus, diagonals are not equal. In square, diagonals are equal. Okay. So these three questions you can do only when you know the properties of the quadrilateral, types of quadrilaterals. So parallelogram, sometimes it will be a parallelogram. That parallelogram may become a rectangle also, because in parallelogram and rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So the difference between a parallelogram and the rectangle is, in rectangle diagonals are equal, in parallelogram diagonals are not equal. So if you want to, if two sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, two sides are equal, you cannot decide as a rectangle. For rectangle also you need to have two conditions. One is opposite sides are equal, that means two pairs of sides are equal, and the second one is the diagonals are also equal. I hope you have understood. Let us do second question also. Okay, let us do second question, sixth question and second bit. It's a very, very important question. 99.9% there is a chance of getting this question in the board examination. So everybody should try and should learn this question. So now this is A. A is equal to, I write small letters, 3, 5, and B is equal to 3, 1, and C is equal to 0, 3, and D is equal to -1, -4. Whenever you are copying a question from the textbook to the notebook, check one more time. Okay? -3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3, -1, 4. So always better. So now let us find out AB. Square root of x2 minus x1. AB means first two. 3 minus -3 plus 3. It is equal to 6 whole square. 1 minus 5, it is equal to -4. So -4 whole square. This is equal to 6 square is 36, -4 square is 16, which is equal to square root of 52. We have got AB is equal to 52. Let us find out BC. BC means this and these two. So square root. In the examination, I want you to write a formula separately. Formula used in the following. So 0 minus 3, it is equal to -3 whole square. 3 minus 1, which is 2 whole square, is equal to 9 plus 4, which is equal to root 30. Root 30. Okay. And then CD. Let us find out CD also. CD is C and D. -1, 0. So -1 whole square plus -4 -3 -7. -7 square. So it is equal to 1 plus 49, which is equal to square root of 50. Now one more side is lagging हो रहा है ना. इस वीडियो is sometimes lagging हो रहा है, बीच बीच में रुक रहा है, but I tried my settings, I am unable to do it. मैं तो कोशिश करूँगा. So now in this no side equal, all the three sides are different because I check in this case whether I have done it properly or not. So 3 minus 3 6, 6 square 36, 1 minus 4 minus 4, so 16, 36 plus 16 40 52 is correct. And again this one 0 minus 3 9, 3 minus 1 2 4, 9 plus 4 30, this is also correct. So -1 0, -1 1, -4 -3 7, so 14, this is also correct. Let us find AD also. AD. So AD is how much? This one and this one. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 3. So it is plus minus 1, minus. So plus 3 minus 1, 2. So it is equal to 2 whole square plus minus 4, minus 5. So minus 9. Minus 9 whole square is equal to 4 plus 81, which is equal to square root of 85. So all the four sides, that means all four sides are unequal. Therefore, ABCD is just a quadrilateral. ABCD is just a quadrilateral. Okay? So, this is how you have to do it, unless until you know the types of quadrilateral, square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, and also trapezium. Okay? So, I am not going to do the third bit. I want you to do third bit by yourself. Okay? So let me go to another question. Okay. This is the seventh question of 7.1 exercise. So find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 and minus 5, minus 2, minus 9. It's also very, very important question. Okay. So now there is an x-axis, okay, and there is an y-axis also. Y-axis also. So 2 minus 5 lies in fourth quadrant, minus 2, 9 lies in the third quadrant. So I just write that this is 1 and this is 1. So now these are the points. Now find the point on the x-axis. So that means somewhere here I will remove y-axis to निकाल सकते हैं, right? Lag हो रहा है. If you can give me some idea, then I will try. Because yesterday I tried, but still it is lagging. Okay? फिर भी एक बार मैं कोशिश करके आपको बताऊंगा. So today I can't do anything because it is my settings are correct only. Maybe I will find out. I will solve the problem today, and from tomorrow onwards we'll see. All right. So now you have to find this is A and this is B, and this is the point P. Don't think that I have written on the this side. It may be that side also. Okay. So this is P. So because it is there on the left, the point required is equal to, let the point required, equidistant required is equal to, because it is there on the x-axis, y is 0. So let us say x 0. The point which is there on the x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. So x, you have to find out x. So now this is a PA and this is PB. So which is equidistant. So PA is equal to PB. So A is how much? 2 and minus 5, and B is equal to minus 2 and 9. Okay? Minus 2, 9. So now PA. So we have to write the formula. This is x0, x0. Let us say this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So 2 minus x whole square, 2 minus x whole square, and minus 5 minus 0. That means minus 5 whole square. This is AB, PA, and PB. This is x1 y1, that is x2 y2. So minus 2 minus x, minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square, 9 minus 0 whole square. Okay, so let us simplify this. This is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, that plus 2ab. So 4x plus 25 is equal to, because minus will get cancelled, it will become a plus b whole square only. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 4x, 9 square is 81. Both sides square root is there, you can remove the square root. So x square plus 4x, 25 plus 4, 29 is equal to x square plus 4x. You have to find out x. 2 minus x minus 2 minus x. So this is minus. Okay. So plus 81. Now both sides x square is there, x square will get cancelled. So here minus 4x and this 4x come this side, minus 4x is equal to 81. If this 29 goes that side, minus 29. So minus 8x is equal to 1. This is 3, 2, sorry. 7 minus 2, 52. Okay. So x is equal to minus 52 by 8. So the point P is equal to how much? Minus 52 by 8 and is equal. Now I have got the fraction. Whenever you get the fraction, always check whether these things were put up properly or not. I am not doing it because I have got a fraction. It is 52. 11 minus 9, 2. 7 minus 2, 5, 52. So it is not getting cancelled. Okay. Usually in the textbook, all the questions were good answers only. So you just check it. If this is wrong, don't blame me. Sir did wrong. And so somewhere you have to recheck the answer. You will be finding the mistake. So rechecking the answer is also very, very important. And guessing the answer, predicting whether your answer is correct also is very important. Okay, whenever you will get a clumsy answer, this is a clumsy answer. So you have to rectify. That means better you verify the answer everything one more time. Okay, I already told in my previous videos how to verify the answer, right from बुक से, टेक्स्ट बुक से नोटबुक तक कैसा आया, बराबर आया नहीं आया, बाद में ये सभी ABC, PA, PB वो भाई सभी बराबर आया नहीं आया, वो सब देखना है. So I am not checking all those things. I want you to check. So अभी हम क्या करेंगे, दूसरी प्रॉब्लम में चले जाएंगे. And this is very, very important question. Now I told you MCQs plays a very important role. In my description there are 2 MCQ tests. Okay, so in the first 2 chapters, all the entire textbook MCQ tests I made it ready. 30 MCQs, 1 test, 30 minutes. 30 MCQs, 30 minutes. So that means fastness is needed, accuracy is needed, and you should have a strong concepts also. Strong concepts, accuracy, fastness. These 3 things will give you 100 out of 100. Okay, those who want to target, those who are interested to target 100 out of 100 in maths, please go through my MCQs test Okay, and attempt it, and when you join my MCQ test you will be in contact with me for 1 week, so you can clarify your doubts also, right? So now let us go to another question. Eighth question. Find the values of y with the distance between the points PQ is 10 units. It is also one of the important questions you will be getting in 2 marks question. So find the value of y. In this one coordinate is not given. In the Q, y coordinate is not given. So you have to find out the value of y. So but what is given here? PQ is equal to 10 units. This is given. Okay. The distance between P and Q, that means PQ, is 10. So using this condition you can find out. Okay. So now I write here, and this is 10. So let us say this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay. So x2 minus x1, 10 minus 2, it is 8 whole square, and y minus minus 3, it is equal to y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10. I can remove square root, so that the other side it will become square. So y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square. If I remove square root from here, the other thing will be square. Otherwise square on both sides also चलता है. दोनों, because square root को निकालने के लिए दोनों साइड स्क्वायर करना पड़ता है. So अभी इधर को स्क्वायर करना है, इधर भी स्क्वायर हो जाता है. इधर स्क्वायर करने में स्क्वायर रूट निकल जाता है, इधर 10 स्क्वायर हो जाता है. So now 64 को उधर भेजो. So y plus 3 whole square is equal to 100 minus 64, which is equal to 36. Okay. So now अभी y plus 3 को मैं स्क्वायर निकाल देता हूँ, उधर जाके स्क्वायर रूट बन जाएंगे. So then y plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay. So then what happened? Y plus 3 is equal to plus 6 one time, and y plus 3 is equal to minus 6 one time. So y is equal to 6 minus 3, 3, and y is equal to minus 6 minus 3 is equal to minus 9. Therefore, y can be 3 or minus 9. This type of question also very important. You may be getting it in the twisted way also. So, I think we will go to the next question. Let me save this and I will clean it. And next question, ninth question. Ninth question, 7.1 exercise. Okay. So Q is if Q is equidistant from PR, find the values. It is just like I said, the point which is there on the x-axis equidistant. Same type of problem. But he has not given the point lies on x-axis or y-axis. So now, but Q is equidistant from P. Let us say this is P, not P, Q, equidistant from P and R. So this is P and this is R. Okay, P is equal to 5 minus 3 and R is equal to x 6. Now PQ is equal to equidistant means equal distances. That means these two distances are equal. So then what is Q? 0, 1. 0, 1 means lying on one axis. If one of the coordinate is 0, then it will be lying on the axis. So because x coordinate is 0, therefore it lies on y axis. Okay. So anyhow, don't bother about the axis. Axis is not given. So now PQ is equal to, what is given? PQ is equal to RQ. Say always this is x1, y1. I will keep on x1, y1. You can keep x2, y2 also. So this is x1, x2, y2, x2, y2. Okay. Now, square root, square root. So PQ, that means ऊपर का 5 minus 0, it is equal to 5. Okay, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square. Now here R cube. Okay, x minus 0 x whole square, and 6 minus 1, it is equal to 5 square. So now square root को निकाल सकते हैं, square root will get disappear. So then what happened? 25 plus 16 is equal to x square plus 25. So therefore x square is equal to how much? Both sides are 16. X is equal to square root of 16. So plus or minus 4. So x is equal to 4 or minus 4. Okay, find x. Very, very simple and important also. Okay, I hope you have understood. Let me go to another question. Okay, I think this is the last question. Last question of the exercise. Let me complete this last. Oh, yeah, last question of the exercise. I have a book and I have it on the this one also, right? So find a relation between x and y so that x is equidistant to 3, 6. This equidistant वाला problem बहुत important है, क्यों बोले तो 3 problems ये exercise में 3 problems दिया है. कौन सा problem equidistant वाला? एक अभी ये problem 10th problem is equidistant, 9th problem is equidistant, and 7th problem is also equidistant. So out of 10 problems, 3 problems based on equidistant rule. So definitely it is very, very important. All of you please understand it and practice it for few with few extra problems. So now let us say this is P and this is A and this is B. Equidistant means PA is equal to PB. अभी इसके पहले जो किया है वही प्रॉब्लम आ गया, राइट? सो नाउ P is already x1 y1, this is x2 y2, x2 y2. So square root, actually इधर square root निकाल सकते हैं but next step में निकाल लेंगे. So 3 minus x whole square, 6 minus y whole square, and PB minus 3 minus x, minus 3 minus x whole square, and 4 minus y whole square. Now square roots निकाल सकते हैं, squaring on both sides. I am not writing, I have a space problem. So this is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 6x. This is also a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 12y is equal to, so here both minus are there, it will become plus. Okay, so then what happened? A square 9, b square and plus 2ab, 6x. Again this is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, this is y. So now roots both sides, whatever the same you can cancel it. 9 is 9 same, x square is also same, and y square also you can cancel. Whatever same is there you can cancel it. Here minus 6x and here plus 6x, they are not same, you cannot cancel them. So and minus 12y and here 8y, they are not cancelled. So over 6x, bring this 6x also this side, minus 6x. Okay, minus 12y, bring that 8y also this side, 8y, and constants, so 36, and bring that 16 also this side. Okay, so minus 16 is equal to 0. So minus 12x minus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. So divided by minus 4. So it is equal to 3x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the relation what he asked. गलत भी हो सकता है because I did not do it, I did it very fastly. So this is the final relation. So with this I have completed my first exercise. As the time is very much more, in my next class I am going to teach you a very important concept, that is section formula. So attend without missing, and ask your friends also to attend the class, and share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.